Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Lotus Milkshake without ice cream. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of very cold milk, which forms the creamy base of our drink. Then, grab 2 generous tablespoons of that irresistible Lotus Biscoff spread. Don't forget 4 Lotus Biscoff biscuits to enhance the flavor and add a lovely texture. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of sugar ready, but feel free to adjust it to your liking. Now, let's get blending. Pour your 1 cup of cold milk into your blender. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of Lotus Biscoff spread and your 1 tablespoon of sugar. Take 2 of your Lotus biscuits and break them into smaller pieces directly into the blender. This helps them incorporate better. Blend these ingredients on high speed for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until everything is perfectly smooth and the spread is fully dissolved. To achieve that perfect milkshake thickness without ice cream, we'll add the remaining 2 Lotus biscuits. Drop them into your blender with the already smooth mixture. Blend again for another 20 to 30 seconds. The biscuits will break down and naturally thicken your milkshake, giving it a wonderful, rich texture. If it seems too thick for your preference, simply add a small splash of milk and blend for a few more seconds until it reaches your desired consistency. Your delicious, ice cream-free Lotus Milkshake is now ready. Carefully pour the thick, creamy mixture into a tall, chilled glass. For a beautiful presentation, you can garnish your milkshake with a whole Lotus biscuit placed on the rim, or sprinkle some crushed biscuit pieces over the top. A small drizzle of extra Lotus Biscoff spread can also add a lovely visual and flavor boost. Serve it immediately and savor every sip of this delightful homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.